Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll show you everything you need for the Call of Whales Fashion Wave event in Heartopia. So you will need to fish for the common prawn. To do that, you're just going to go to the East Sea and you're just going to fish for it, I guess. I think I'm gonna need around 100 because there are two dishes that need the common prawn, which is the tomato seafood soup and the glassware shrimp fried rice. Sorry, I'm trying to read from my second monitor and I have bad vision. Okay, anyways, then you also need just the fruits that you usually use for events like this. So we need the apples, tangerines, blueberries, and raspberries. We also need strawberries, grapes, and pineapples as well. Then for the rest, we need all 5 mushrooms. So shiitake, which is this one, oyster, baton, and then penny bun, and the black truffle as well. Then for the rest of the ingredients you need to stock up and grow, you'll need the wheat. I do have a bunch, so I think I'm good with that. And you also need milk, which I have plenty. And you also need to grow tomatoes for this one, so make sure you do that. Those are the ingredients you need to prepare. And here's the list of what you need for those recipes. You will have to later harvest seaweeds and stuff like that. There is the sea grape and shiitake chawanmushi. That's my favorite food, guys. And then obviously the fried rice, and then we have a pearl cake, and then the tomato seafood soup. So those are the ingredients you need to catch, harvest, grow, purchase before the event starts. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and catch some common prawns because I don't have any. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.